Good afternoon, class 30 students. Be safe at your home. So let's start English 2 lesson number 4 book exercises. So open your English 2 notebooks. Write down the date of today 18/5/2020. Lesson 4 book exercise. Page number 33. Heading of comprehension comprehension comprehension. Then write down heading exercise A. Match the columns A and B correctly to complete the sentences. We have to do the matching of A and B column respectively. Okay, so there is column A and B. Write down number 1. The mole was cleaning. So it is given in column A. We have to do the matching. So for the matching we don't need to draw the line or write down the numbers. We will just write down the answer of matching in front. Okay, the mole was cleaning his little home. Full stop. You have to write down this part in column B. Second is he had splashes of whitewash all over his black fur. Full stop. Next, the rat lightly stabbed into a little boat. Full stop. Next, number 4. The rat had pickled gherkins, salad, French rolls and cress sandwiches. Full stop. French F capital. Number 5. Beyond the wild wood comes the wide world. W capital. Okay, in this way you have to do the matching. Give some space here like this to differentiate or to make partition between A and B columns. First of all, write down column A and then write down the answer of column B in front only. After completing the matching, turn your page. Then write down next exercise, that is page number 34. Word wonder. W capital. Now start. Can you arrange the words given below in ALPHABETICAL alphabetical order? Here are so many words are given. We have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means according to A, B, C, D up to Z. Work in pairs and write them in correct order. Use a DICTIONARY dictionary if needed. We will use dictionary to find out the meanings of difficult words and that are already given in sequence in alphabetical order. Okay, that's why here the dictionary help is given to you. So first of all you have to make the box and then write down some words. First word is pricking, TRICKING. Second, STIRRING, stirring. Next, sniffing, SNIFFING, sniffing. CHORES, chores. Next, HURRIEDLY, hurriedly. RELIEF, relief. DELICIOUS, delicious. Then EXCELLENT, excellent. You have seen 8 words are written here. We have to arrange these 8 words up into alphabetical order. Means first to 8 number you have to write down in this way. Then see which letter is given here. Suppose first letter is A. Is any word starting from A given? No. B? No. C? Yes, we have found the C word that is starting is chores. First of all we will write down chores. Then D? No. E? Yes, excellent. Then we will write down D word is given here. Yes, delicious. Then in number 2 we have to write down delicious. After that, after D what comes? E. Then E word is also given here. In the third number we have to write down excellent. F, G, H. Yes, H word is given, so we have to write down number 4 hurriedly. HURRIEDLY, hurriedly. Then in so on way we have to see the words that is given. Then number 5 you have to find that HIJKLMNOPQ There is no any word that is starting with these letters. Then we have find out the word that is starting from R. Then we will write down relief. RELIEF, relief. After that, 6th number, sniffing. SNIFFING, sniffing. Then number 7, stiring. STIRRING, stiring. See, both these words are starting from S letter. So how we will find out which letter come first? S is remain same. Then we will see the second letter. In the second letter, what comes first? N and then T later on. That's why we have write down the spelling of sniffing before stiring. Okay. Then at last we have to write down the last letter that is here given in the box, that is tricking. TRICKING, tricking. In the same way we have to complete this exercise in alphabetical order. Okay. Then from the next page, write down page number 34. Learn about language. Circle the subject and underline predicate in each of these sentences. Sentences are given here. We have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. You know what is subject and what is predicate? Subject is something that sentence tells about. Okay, and predicate that follows the subject. First is our teacher read out an interesting story. INTERESTING, interesting story. Remember to write first letter capital and then put full stop at the end. So what is the subject here? We have to do the circle. Our teacher, make a circle, it is a subject, and read out an interesting story is predicate. Underline that part. Number 2, the children are playing in the park. The children is subject, circle it. Are playing in the park is predicate. Underline it. Number 3, Arjun is TEASING, teasing his little sister. Arjun is a subject, make a circle. Is teasing his little sister is predicate. Underline this part. Number 4, the spider spun the web. The spider is subject and then spun the web is predicate. Underline that part. Turn the page. Number 5, she writes novels. She is subject, circle it. Writes novel is predicate. Underline it. Number 6, the squirrel ate the nuts. The squirrel is subject, underline this. Ate the nuts, predicate. Underline it. The lion said it was a trap. The lion is subject, make a circle. Said it was a trap is predicate. Underline. The wolves, WOLVES, wolves met at COUNCIL, council, ROCK, rock, council rock. The wolves is subject, met at council rock is predicate. Make underline. Okay, in this way you have to complete this chapter number 4, all book exercises in your English 2 notebook in neat and clean handwriting with the help of pencil. Okay, thank you.